What's up, guys? This is Dave Marshall with the RCR Marshall YouTube channel, and I would like to welcome you to the introduction video for the Spektrum AR637T Programming Series. As you guys may be aware, the Spektrum AR637T is an all-new receiver from Spektrum that was released as a follow-up to the extremely successful Spektrum AR636 Receiver, which has recently been discontinued. In this series of videos, we're going to cover how to program the AR637T. However, in this introduction, we're just going to be doing a brief overview of the features that are included with the AR637T and how the AR637T differs from the AR636. Be sure to subscribe and hit the notification icon so you're made aware when new videos are released in the series and anytime that we come out with new content here on the channel. The AR637T is an all-new 6-channel receiver from Spektrum that includes AS3X gyro stabilization, as well as the ability for the user to program safe as well as a panic button without the use of any third-party tools. Now, for those of you who have gone through the process of programming the AR636, you'll no doubt remember things like the audio programming cable and the USB programming cable and the Bluetooth programming module. These things are no longer needed with the AR637T because of a new process for programming the AR637T called forward programming. Forward programming is where we can take our DX series Gen 2 or better transmitter or our IX series transmitter like the IX12 and IX20, and we can use those transmitters to do all of the programming functionality of the new AR637T. So we no longer need any PC applications for safe and the panic button. We don't need things like the safe model builder anymore. It's all done right from your transmitter. So it's a much easier process and much easier to access. You don't need to remember where you saved this file or how did I export this file or import that and which cable do I need and I can't get the Bluetooth to connect. A lot of those complications are gone now. So the AR637T, I think you're going to find much more accessible and easier to use and a lot easier to program than the AR636. In order to take advantage of the AR637T's forward programming functionality, you're going to need to update your DX series radio to firmware version 2.05 or better. And for your IX series transmitters like your IX12 and IX20, you're going to want to make sure that you're running the latest version of Airware from the Google Play Store. The Spektrum AR637T also includes full range telemetry and is compatible with a wide variety of telemetry sensors that are available from Spektrum. In addition to the many external telemetry modules that are available, the Spektrum AR637T also includes a built-in barometric altimeter that can feed your aircraft's altitude back to your transmitter through the telemetry link. As if all of the great features that we've discussed so far have not been enough, the Spektrum AR637T is also included in the smart ecosystem of products. Let's do a quick overview of the different products that are available in the smart ecosystem and how they all work together. The smart ecosystem from Spektrum includes several products that all work together to kind of make our lives a little easier. The products include the smart battery, the smart battery checkers, smart chargers, our smart capable receivers like the AR637T, smart electronic speed controls, and the ESC programmers that go with both the Avian and Firma electronic speed controls. Now, once you get all of those different products and you install them into a vehicle, that's when things start to get very powerful. So, once you get them in a vehicle and you've got a smart transmitter, a smart electronic speed control, and a smart battery, all of the telemetry information is all going to be fed through the smart battery. There's an extra wire in the IC series connectors that comes from a small circuit board that's installed inside the battery. That gets passed out into the speed control, and then the speed control through the through the sensor wire, passes that data out to the receiver, which then passes that information over telemetry to your new or to your transmitter. Now, what's special about this telemetry, right? So we're going to be able to get things like RPM, we're going to be able to get things like current, pack voltage, our balance information, our pack temperatures, ESC temperatures. We're going to be able to get all of that data without adding any external sensors at all, right? So the big spaghetti mess that you used to get by having all of those telemetry sensors is gone. All you need is the smart battery, the smart ESC, and a smart capable receiver. As you guys can see, the AR637T, this thing is got a lot more under its hood than the AR636 did. This thing, I can tell already that it's going to be easier to program, and it's going to have a lot more to offer as far as telemetry functionality and adjustability and things like that. So I'm really looking forward to getting this thing started, and I invite you guys to come along with me. Stay tuned for the next video. We're going to be doing a quick unboxing of the AR637T. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and share this out to anybody that you think is interested in programming the AR637T. Thank you guys for watching, and we will see you in the next one.